Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon whenever you're watching this video. But I haven't made a video in about a month or over a month, and it's just that I just graduated high school and I've been trying to actually get a job and everything, and I haven't had my other camera because my mom took it on with her to her vacation, but she just got back. So right now I'm using my phone, and that's not an excuse, but I don't know exactly what this video is going to be, but I'm going to go get some breakfast because it's 59 cents at IHOP today for three pancakes. So I'm going to take advantage of that deal, and then I'll make a video about something. I don't know what it's going to be yet, but obviously y'all already know. So I'll see you then. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I'm not wearing the same clothes because it's the next day, and after IHOP, I didn't get home for a while, and I never really had the time to make the video because by the time I got home and everything, it was starting to get dark. But I did think about what to make my video about, and that's going to be my exhaust. I'm going to let y'all hear what I have on a cold start, and then I'll do like an inside the car thing, and then let y'all hear from the outside of the car, and then I'll tell you what we did to make it sound like this. So stay tuned. I actually really like the exhaust, and we didn't even do that much to it. This is on the inside of the car. It's not loud on the inside of the car. The only time that it gets to be a little loud is when you actually get on it, which I'll do here in a second, but it's reasonable to where you can still talk and not have to be yelling. Okay, so I'm gonna be driving around with the windows up, and I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like from the inside of the car, because it's not that bad. That was only to 40, but I think I got up to 4,000 RPMs or something like that. And as you can tell, it still wasn't that loud, which it was loud enough to be loud, but it wasn't that loud to where you have to yell at the person that's sitting next to you. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna do, it's not that long of a stretch, but it's something for y'all to hear the exhaust. And something I forgot to mention is that somewhere right in here, my exhaust hit some other metal piece and it rattles. So y'all are probably gonna hear that, but that's not actually how my exhaust sounds. That's just it hitting the other part. on the outside of the car. Now I'm gonna do one more that I didn't do earlier. I'm gonna lay out here with the windows down in my car as driving. I'll probably do the same thing, accelerate to 40 but not floor it, and probably just get around 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs, and then I'll let y'all know what I actually have. That was more than 4,000. That was about 5,500. But I think it sounds great. I love it. Now, to talk about what I have is actually, whoops. Before I bought this car, or when I bought this car, there was someone before me that took and put a full NVIDIA catback exhaust on this whole car. And it sounded pretty good, but it wasn't loud enough to me. So what my dad and I did was, I actually have a picture and I'll put it up on the screen somewhere or whatever. But we took my resonators and we put a piece of pipe straight through that. So my resonators were still there, but there was a pipe in the middle that acted as if it was a straight pipe and there was no resonators. And it didn't really change a difference at all, which I was kind of sad about, but it didn't. So therefore, after we did that, then we were like, what else can we do? What else can we do? We took the muffler off, but it sounded, there was so much, it was a whole bunch of rasp, and it was terrible. So we didn't know, we wanted to do this, but it was really hard. But we just kind of said, it, and we're gonna do it anyways. So we went and took my cats off, and if you have this car, you know how hard it is to take your cats off. I'm not gonna say it's hard, but it's not as easy as a Chevrolet Camaro. Chevrolet Camaro's super easy. This car, it's not. It's not easier than that. So we took the cats off, and we went to my dad's friend that does exhaust work, and he made us pipes that fit exactly where my cats are. Like, this guy did amazing work, and I watched him do it, and he did it in like 20 minutes, both pipes. 2 pipes, didn't charge us a thing. So shout out to that guy. If you're watching this, you know who you are. But he did amazing work, and then we went to the shop and we put those pipes in and we bolted them on, and then we hooked everything else back up, and this is the sound that we got. So actually what I really have is, it comes out of my exhaust manifold. It comes out of my exhaust manifold into 2 pipes that come down, and then it goes to my, well, I'd say my resonators, but they're not really resonators anymore. So they go to my resonators, but they're straight pipe resonators. Then they go to an X pipe. Then they go to 2 more pipes, which then go to my NVIDIA Gemini exhaust. And it sounds, as you can tell, if the camera picked it up like I think it did, or I hope it did, I love it. It sounds amazing, and I probably won't change it for quite a little while. If I even change it, probably not, I don't know, but I like it. So for those of you who stayed through the end of this video, today I am actually getting something else for this car, and it should be coming in the next few hours and I will probably be making a video on that tomorrow. Maybe. Depends on everything else. But if you have not already, please subscribe to the Instagram for this car. That's where I post all my pictures and everything for the car, and you'll be kept updated, and you might see what I got in the mail first. But anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you'd want to know or see about this car, because I do want to do more videos, but I might not be able to post that much because I got a job starting Monday. So peace, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing